Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of permanently deleting your TikTok account. Whether you're taking a break or saying goodbye to TikTok, let's get started. Step 1. Access TikTok settings. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Click on the three dashes in the upper right corner to access settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Scroll down and select Privacy and Settings. Click Manage Account. Step 3. Delete your account. First, choose Disable or Delete Account, then select Delete Account, TikTok. We'll provide information about what happens when you delete your account. Confirm your decision by entering your password. Click Delete Account again to complete the process. Remember, once you delete your TikTok account, you can't undo it. Good luck with your decision. Thanks for watching.